On what day it is?
Tuesday.
It's not Tuesday, it's Saturday. What are we celebrating today?
Pumpkin.
Who's the pumpkin?
Anna.
Is it your birthday?
Yeah.
How old are you?
5.
Hey, 5 years old. Happy birthday. What kind of party did we have? What kind of party is this? Is it Halloween? Okay.
Halloween.
Yes, girl. That's where you're pinning it?
No.
Do not take this off. Pin it on the hat. Alright, that's where you want to pin it? Take off your blindfolds. Whoop. This is where you pinned it. And that's where the witch is. So you didn't win. Sorry.
Oh dear.
Wait. She pinned it on this wall. Thank you.
Next.
No,
Who doesn't have one?
He bought it.
You don't have one? Do you have one? Here.
I don't have no tape on them.
Okay, I'm going to give you tape. Don't worry. Who's next? Who has number 2? Okay, you come.
Oh, good.
Okay, come. Can you see? Okay. Pin the hat on the witch.
You flicked that back, huh? Didn't you? Okay.
No, keep it on. You just have to pin it. Where do you think the hat goes?
Where are you supposed to be?
Okay, pin it where you think it goes. Don't take it off. Just put the hat where you think it goes. Can't they find the wall? Alright. That's the point. Alright, but I'm putting them in the right direction. This is where you put it, okay? That's where the witch is. Okay, go back to the back of the line. Who's next? Who doesn't have one?
I
have, okay.
want to go.
Here, you can take this one. This one has the tape. Shh, don't tell her. Good job. Good job. Take off your blindfold. That's okay. Good try. Who's next?
We're gonna play again. Okay? And we're gonna play again.
I did it.
Wait, stand behind there. Stand in the line. Right over there. He's not playing. Don't worry about him. You gotta get the most spin. Go.
No, you lose.
Alright. Okay. Remember your number. What number is it?
5.
Okay, take it off.
I won.
Excuse me, please.
So far Zanaya is winning.
Yeah, but I won.
Blindfold.
Did I cheat out with these bats?
No.
I spin her enough time, so I don't know.
I did not.
Hey, don't do that, Kingsley. That's not nice.
Yay, get a surprise.
Just go to the back of the line. Hold on 1 second, though. Wait. Kingsley, stand right there for me, okay? Wait. 1 second. Hold on. You guys, can you stand in the line right over there? Thank you. Kingsley, stand in the line right over there. Thank you. Let's spin.
Give my hair.
Oops.
Don't rip it. No, give it.
Okay.
Give it. No, she. No.
Well, it's not because if you're watching inside there. We can't fish inside there right now.
Come on, you're so close.
Yay! Of course.
Perfect.
You sure she wasn't picking? I don't know.
Good job. Well, she went over here for the longest time.
Someone said something.
You said something. So you keep your number. Remember your number, okay? So far, you're in the lead.
Trust me.
You said something. I already knew.
Girl, you better get it. I'm rooting how you get it.
Wait.
On the weekend.
All right. cheating.
Oh!
Nope, I don't believe it. Let's try again. Let's try again because you're cheating. Oh, okay. Call her back. Just call her back and see where she is. Here. What are you looking for, Kingston?
Feel the energy.
Come on! All right, take off the blindfold. Oh, so close. All right, who's next? You? Here, keep your number.
You're using a spidey sense, huh?
Can you see anything? Okay.
Hello? Me now? Okay.
What up, brother?
Yeah. All right, go ahead.
The last building, right?
Oh, very close. Good job.
Good job, Mama.
Very close. It's moving day. So excited. I'm finally leaving this place. Oh, yeah. So, as you can see, my bedroom. It's just a room. For you guys before Marlon comes back. And then he cusses me that I'm not doing anything. So, you see it, everything pack up, ready to go. Okay, wait, you guys, I think he's coming back. I think he's coming back. So I'll talk to you guys a little bit later, okay? Because I gotta finish packing. Can't wait to be. We're moving, guys. So happy. Struggle's so real right now. Why you're struggling? This is hilarious. To show my kids this in the future. So? Why are you getting stressed out for? Just take the damn chair out the van. That's what I said. You always make yourself get stressed out for no reason.
I still have video.
And we're on. Yo, this guy is a maniac, bro. Oh god.
And you used to have a shop?
Where in Jamaica?
Renee.
Oh. You guys, it is now 9:55 and my couches are gone, my bed is gone, my whole bedroom set is gone. What else is gone? The chairs for my table is gone. It was like a big mix with the truck. So, ooh, girl, I have to talk about it another day because I'm sleeping right there. I'm not gonna put it on him because he'll be so pissed. But girls and guys, yeah, it was, you know. But I'm so tired. Like, I'm so tired, and like, there's somebody at my house. Okay? Yeah. So, you understand? All she's talking about is like, oh my god, I'm so sober, and I'm so sober, and I'm hungry, and I'm sober. I'm so hungry and I'm so bad. She's like, you didn't miss me? Like, bitch, what? Which where'd I do that at? And now she's making so much noise and my husband's trying to sleep in the same proximity that she's in. And she just has no respect. And she wants to come to our apartment? Bitch, where'd I do that at? She has manners. But yo, like, I'm here on the floor because there's nowhere else for me to sleep right now.
You're not the only one on the floor.
Everybody's on the floor because there's nowhere else for them to sleep right now. She's so dumb, guys. Anyways.
Like it's a Friday and I'm not ton up.
I know, don't worry, we're gonna ton up just now. I don't know which TV to bring though. No, I think I'm gonna bring the little one. Because the flat screen one has the Android box still hooked up to it. I'm gonna miss Love and Hip Hop Hollywood for 2 weeks. And I'm gonna miss... No, that's all I'm gonna miss. Because I can still watch How to Get Away with Murder. I can still watch Empire. And yeah, that's the only thing I'm sad about. Is...
I legit just started to watch it again.
What?
I just started trying to watch it again.
What?
Empire?
So yeah, guys, that's what's up right now. So I guess when I get to my apartment, I will... I don't know.
Am I going home?
Oh, it's 10 o'clock. My alarm's going off. Why is she asking me if she's going home? Like, the bus stop is at the bus stop. If she wants to go home, she can go home. If she doesn't want to go home, she doesn't have to go home. What the fuck is she asking me these questions for?
Like, I'm hungry, though. Like,
I'm hungry, too. We all hungry. I'm sure Marlon didn't eat. I didn't eat. Nobody fucking ate, okay?
he's asleep, so he won't realize until he wakes up.
And that's going to be the worst time.
You ever wake up in the morning and your belly starts...
She's so damn loud. Like, I can't fucking deal. I'm
That's
sober.
for Halloween, though. My mini ear.
Anyways, later, guys. I will talk to you when
The club like this.
I am off to my new home. But again, I don't know if I want to show it to you guys as it is now.
See it till like 10 years later because you're always late with your videos.
Actually, no, I'm actually pretty caught up.
Yeah?
Or, yeah, because the last video that I posted, the last clip was from October 21st. Okay, guys. Yeah, like I was saying, and before I was really interrupted.
Everybody knows who I am now.
Before I was really interrupted. I don't know if I should show you guys my apartment as it is now, or wait until I fix it up and then they told me I could paint.
No, that's lame because then they don't see before.
But I don't want them to see before. I just want them to be like, boom, ooh, this is where she at now, girl.
Or you could put the before
With the after? Because I mean, it's gonna take me like a good 10 years to finish unpacking, even though we have like 2 days to get out of this
And she's
place.
pregnant.
You guys know damn well that ain't what's up. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. 6 minutes of rambling. It's too long. See you guys in
Do you
a
have lime in your
little
fridge?
bit. Okay. Okay.
This shit's so sweet.
Girl, I do not have anything in my fridge. Okay. How much times I freaking gotta tell you I've been moving? Ain't nobody doing groceries. Shoot.
No, this shit is...
Hey, what's up? Hey guys, so I'm at my new apartment and stuff.
Yeah, this lighting's terrible.
And my elevators be talking to me and shit. Ooh, this lighting is perfect though. Shit, look at it. Oh god. Okay. Yes. Oh my god, I look so white.
Yeah, you do. I was about to tell you the same thing. You look like a white person.
Oh my god, it's winter time. Anyways, you guys, so guess who came to see me today? Buffy's back! Is this the front?
Are you trying to go to the front or the back?
No, the back. Buffy's back, you guys. Live and in living color. You understand? Anting.
Where do you go though?
I have no fucking idea. Yo, shut up your mouth. I don't know this area. You can't be laughing loud like that and shit. Look at this Negroes. I don't know what the fuck this is.
out like this?
I don't give a fuck. Everybody has phones now. This is foreign. Everybody has big turn-up phones. You understand? So we're on the hunt. We need toilet paper and we need food for our bellies. Food, me know what that day. Toilet paper, me don't know what that day. And we need cups. We need. I don't got a microwave, so you better eat that shit.
One time.
One time.
I eat cold food too. I'm not picky. I eat shit when it's cold. I don't give
Look
a
at her and
fuck.
her Minnie Mouse ears. It's not even Halloween yet.
It technically is. It's like
Bitch,
almost
bye.
12 o'clock.
Bitch, bye. So we're gonna watch some African movies.
Are we? I never watched them.
Yeah, because that's all that I brought. And Nikoi left me. I wonder if this is the front of the building.
Is it that? Did you mean to tell me we walked all the way?
Is that the front of the building?
Girl, don't do it.
Me not Tiffany, me
do
just
it.
move here. You expect me to know the area already?
I would have tried the front.
Walk through your so me no say you can't walk through your so if you got the store.
Sir, can you drive us? Imagine what that was.
I was just gonna say, yo, because he turned and he looked and it kind of looked like a still. I'm not gonna lie. Hey guys, we're gonna go get our food and then I will holler back at you.
So you blame me?
Yes.
No, blame McDonald's. They're shit.
No, I'm blaming you because you like, oh, I don't even McDonald's.
McDonald's is not the best place to go to.
I don't care. I want some fucking chicken nuggets.
You can get chicken nuggets. There's Popeyes.
I doubt Popeyes is open.
How do you live in the West End and there's nothing open?
Hey, everything closes at 11.
But everything should open later. It's like downtown, right?
No, it's not. It's the West End.
It's like
That's like saying, oh, everything in the East End should open early. Takes you longer to get there.
dip.
Oh my God. I don't even have pots.
Oh no. Gotta be cook if you want to.
Wait. All right, to the gas station it is because I'm done.
There's a gas station?
Let's just see if they have. Not this gas station. Well, since I'm here, let me get a slush.
Really?
Yeah, I know, but I need something for my walk. Oh, yeah. Oh, and I can mix my...
Oh, that's the only way I get it. Because then after it doesn't, like...
Huh?
It's warm.
English?
Warm. You know how, like, Oh, fuck, to walk on this one, I'm freezing already? How are you in a sweater?
Oh, no. I'm so fucking upset right now because everything's closed. Everything is closed. I am home, you guys. I'm home in my apartment. Oops, sorry. That is going to be my little dining area right there. You see, it's insane. Okay. I can't really take you guys on a tour right now because
Not set up.
like not even that anything's set up, but just like everything is just like all over the friggin' place. You can see the kitchen. It's white. Tiffany, do you like it?
I like it.
Are you just saying that because?
No, I like it. I just wish it had a balcony.
One day, I'll keep inquiring. I'll be like, is anybody in the balcony unit sleeping?
Yeah, sure. Why are you putting me in your videos? Oh my god.
Because you haven't been in there since,
I can see the highway.
but yeah, that time. You haven't been in my vlog since then. Because people, she was so rude.
I wasn't rude.
She was so rude. And
Is
then,
that my foot or yours?
that smells?
I
Probably
smell-
mine. Because the fucking, Because the fucking rain, every time
Every time you wear these shoes,
it fucking rains.
But you're not putting that in your vlog. I ain't never seen a raining vlog yet.
If you watched the last vlog, you would see that it says that I do not like fucking being outside in the rain.
I didn't see it then.
I put it up yesterday.
No, I didn't see it.
Yeah, she don't be watching the vlog.
But I told you what your last vlog was about.
My last vlog was the last vlog, but that was up on Thursday. Yesterday. Oh.
Thursday, so I talked to you on Wednesday. Your girl.
I post vlogs every Tuesday and Thursday. And yeah, so we're just here chilling, watching an African movie on my little Binky TV because I didn't want to bring the other one. And I don't know how I'm gonna do it here for 2 weeks without no fucking cable. That's how long I gotta wait. And for my internet and shit. But I'm excited. I'm so freaking excited. I could be naked right now, but it's that time of the month, you know what I'm saying?
Life sucks, huh?
You know?
Life's a bitch sometimes, huh?
I was like, fuck.
Yo, I hate when it's coming and you like and you're anticipating it to come and it doesn't come the day you want it to come, and then after you're like the next day it's like, oh yeah, I feel it, but it's probably not gonna come.
I was like, yo.
And then it comes.
Yo, I was like, okay, it's the middle of the week. It hasn't come yet. I'm like, I'm gonna be able to move and then I'm gonna be able to christen my apartment. God looked at me and laughed.
Like, nigga, no.
Then he sent Mother Nature to laugh at me some more. And they both laughing at me like, who you think you is? Like, who you think you can schedule your period? It's like we switching that shit up on you. You know what I'm saying? So I'm on it now. Can't christen my apartment till next week. Which is cool. Because at least by then I'll be moved in. And I'll have places to let me take it down. I really wanna take it down. Show you what I'm about. You understand? So now I'm just drinking my rum Slurpee. See me a slur already. And yeah. So I'll see you guys later. The pizza's coming because nothing else was open. And yeah, so Minnie Mouse, say bye. I can't wait to see that looks when I post this up. Say bye.
No.
Did you guys miss Tiffany?
You can't even see me. It's like, you see this like black face? And then you just see like these big ass ears.
Yeah, you look like the real nigger Minnie Mouse.
I'm sorry, I look cuter up close. Her lighting sucks. Don't zoom in.
It says zoom. Wait, zoom not supported for this mode. So your ass is fucking lucky.